Hello guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on ECWID. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. First, open the ECWID website on your web browser. Then, navigate to Payment at the left-hand side and click on it. On this payment page, click on Add New Payment Method button. You can add any payment methods you want, such as PayPal or any of your bank providers. For this video, I'm just going to use PayPal. Just log into your PayPal by typing in your email right here and then click Enable. If you want to add a different bank, then click on this Add Manual Payment Method. Then, enter the name of your payment method. Then log into your account. And that's it. Now you can use this payment method anytime in ECWID. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!